Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add follow button on Facebook profile. So if you want to add a follow button on your Facebook profile, here's what you're going to do. First, you have to open your Facebook and make sure that you're using the latest version of the Facebook application. Tap on your profile at the top right corner. And then this time you have to look for the gear icon or settings. Tap this gear icon right here or settings. Now you need to scroll down and you have to look for how people find and contact you. You have to click this one right here. And then from public, if you set this who can send you friend requests from public, you need to set this into friends of friends. So from everyone, you have to choose a friends of friends right here. And then after that, tap on save. Now once done, you need to go back and you have to scroll down again and look for followers and public content. Now you have to set this into public. Click this one, make sure it's public, and then tap on save. Now we're going to look at our profile. So I have to look for the view as option right here. Usually I can see that when I tap my profile and then I have to look for the view as option right here to see if I have the follow button on my profile. So what you're going to do here, go to profile, tap on this three dots right here, scroll down and look for view as. And then after that, you should see your profile. So here's the sample. I'm gonna let you see what it looks like if someone visits or stalk my profile. They can now follow and I can see now the follow button. And that's how easy it is to add follow button on a Facebook profile. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.